Bruno Mars, Anderson .Paak, $1,000. What do they all have in common? Well, we're talking about all of it today. We're talking about Silk Sonic. We're talking about the new track that they just released. We're talking about the fact that you can get $1,000 just by following, or actually 10 people. I'm giving away 10. What am I saying? Giving away $1,000 on my Instagram. 10 people are winning $100. That is what is happening. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram by March 15th. Follow me on Instagram by March 15th. You are in the running to win $100. 10 people are winning $1,000 total. This is Bruno Mars, Anderson .Paak, Silk Sonic. Okay, full honest disclosure. Big fan of their music, but it kind of all does sound a little bit similar. Heavy horns in this one. Definitely heavy horns. So many instruments, man. Get lost in the instrumentation. I like that this is a lot of instruments in the intro. Ooh, hold on a sec. Bro, listen to that beautiful vibrato at the end of that. Layered vocals. Ooh, the bass and the piano. Yo, this is a vibe, though. Crazy, man. All right, let's talk about this. When I say wide sounds, I mean there's a lot of stuff going on left ear, right ear, very far panning, as opposed to like just mono style vocal, like the mono style stuff where there's just a lot of stuff right down the center. Only thing really right down the center is the drums and the vocals, likely bass as well. I like this. It's really cool. The voices are ridiculously good. I do wish slightly though that they were a little louder in the vocals. I feel like the vocals are a little far behind, like far in the mix, and I kind of just wish we could hear them a little bit clearer. Nice layers. See, to me, I'm like straining to hear them, and I like what I want to hear what they're saying. I love their voices, and the music sounds great. I just want to hear a little bit more of their voices, though. But that kind of gives the vintage vibe. The call and response is so cool. Everybody's so tight, man. The way that the drums are just in sync with everything. Like, obviously, something about being in time, obviously. Like, music sounds bad if it's not in time. But it's just like, they're all so cohesively together, man. It's really good. I love the slides they're doing, man. I'm calling, I'm free. I wanna see you, baby. Chromatic slides. Their voice is just so stinking good, it's absurd. Big layers. Yeah, how do you not vibe to this? Wow, 3 different main things going on. We have the lower horns, then we have a call and response with the guitar, and then we have the higher horns come in. There's the guitars. Now come the horns higher. piano, bum bum bum. Strings coming in. I wonder if it's a full orchestra. So that is a chromatic tone. That's actually not in the original key. They're playing it so it's hitting that chromatic tone. Crazy. So good. Swells in the horns. Come on. Dude, like, you could just tell, like I said 1,000 times, that the level of musicianship in this, the tightness of the group is just so tight. Like, they're in sync with each other like crazy. Drums and bass is so locked in. I like that bass. Hard. Now come the high horns. There it is. Call and response, baby. High horns. Cool. It's like a beautiful call and response that they do, man. Bringing those drums in so well mixed. Oh, I like that ending. But and it just ends. That's cool, man. I like this. I like that a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I like that they're releasing a steady amount of music, man. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. $1,000 on Instagram given away. Peace out. March 15th.